Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ri, and today's video is my 2019 bullet journal. I wanted to start the year off with a neutral, minimalistic floral theme, and I hope you guys like it. I'm really excited to get organized this year and set the tone for the new year on a productive note, so let's head on into the video. This time I'm using the Artist Sloth bullet journal. It's super affordable and I got it at Michael's, and so I'm super excited to try it out. It has 2 bookmarks and 250 pages, and the pages are white, so let's see how it goes. Alright, for my 2019 cover page, I'm drawing some block numbers and coloring them in with my black Crayola Super Tip marker. I love doodling florals and leaves, so I'm drawing random patterns on the top and bottom of the 2019. You guys can doodle any types of flowers and leaves you like, or you can even skip this part if you want to keep it more minimal if you like. This next page is a huge 2019 monthly calendar spread. I'm writing down 2019 and doodling the little flowers on top. And afterwards, I'm writing down each month and highlighting the title with the gray Crayola marker. It definitely can get a little tedious writing down each day of the month. My hand was definitely cramping up towards the end, but it was also kind of fun just to zone out and write it all down. Now I'm creating a huge goals page, and I'm leaving it pretty blank, so whenever anything comes to mind I can just jot it down and track it. This next page is a milestones page, and I wanted this page to kind of hold me accountable throughout the year so I can actually focus on trying to achieve those goals that I wrote on the previous page, and at the end of the year I want to be able to look back on them and be proud and see when I achieved some of those things. I thought this 2019 favorites page could be fun, so throughout the year when I see movies, TV shows, listen to podcasts, or try out new hobbies that I like, I could write them down and then look back on them at the end of the year and see what I loved throughout 2019. This next page is a YouTube and Instagram growth tracker, so I can see my progress every month and track it throughout the year. And I could kind of use it to motivate me to keep posting new content and see where my progress is at the end of the year. On the bottom right, I'm doodling a little flower pattern and I'm writing new beginnings. I really like how it turned out, and it's definitely giving me some good vibes for the new year. Alright guys, so here's the final flip through of this 2019 bullet journal spread. I hope you guys really like this minimal floral spread as much as I do, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more similar bullet journal videos coming up soon, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, and Happy New Year!